There you go, Roxie.
Oh, they're actually playing.
Good.
Oh, I love it.
We're gonna have some messy dogs. Oh, Dana's gonna love this. Dana, you're gonna love this. I think she likes it. Oh, there you go.
She is having a blast.
oh shit. It's like having one of those dog sled things.
Don't eat it. You don't know what kind of road car I'm
Don't eat the yellow stuff.
Hang on. Let me see. Joe. Hi. No, Jojo. I love the snow nose.
Oh, there's a Swift truck.
Look at the snow nose.
Hey, Joe. Oh, man, that doesn't look right. Are you a drug dog? Alright, we got another one. Lucas.
Oh, big stretch, girl.
Our fun time in the snow.
I love all the puppy prints.
She looks like a drug dog. I think Roxie's gonna need leash training. Going to Oregon.
Yes.
Well, we're just 30 miles from where we were going.
Oh, Gallup?
Goodness.
Yeah, we were just going to Gallup.
Jojo, sit.
Y'all from Texas?
Yeah.
Where at?
Channing.
Channing?
Yeah. Northwest of Amarillo.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I'm from Justin. I live in Mineral Wells.
Okay.
Jojo, sit.
You hear any talk on the CB what all is out there?
5 cars, a couple of trucks. It's gonna be a while. As you've seen, they're still trying to get emergency vehicles up there. That's why normally we don't ever get out, but I'm sorry. Come here, Roxie.
We're 3 of these all traveling together.
Yeah.
Oh,
They've
Jojo,
got
no.
family that's already at the hotel
Oh yeah.
and said not do anything in Gallup.
Yeah, it's once you get to like Jamestown, it's okay.
How
Roxie.
far is that?
Right down the road, a couple miles.
There's another storm coming in though from Flagstaff.
Yeah.
We'll be at the room by then.
Hopefully. I would kind of expect to be here for a while. That's why I asked y'all if y'all needed anything.
Ooh, and thank you for the.
Yeah.
Hey, Dad. You want to hear me go?
They're rescue dogs. Hey, Roxie. She's only about a year old. The German Shepherd, she's going up to Oregon, and the lab's going to LA. And they're both rescue dogs.
So y'all are transporting.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, cool. Jojo? No, ma'am.
This is their first time in the snow.
I don't want to get the chihuahuas out in the snow yet. Chihuahuas?
We got 2 chihuahuas that are our own.
Oh my goodness. I love the snow. Master, no. Don't eat the snow.
Well, you can eat it as long as it ain't yellow.
Oh goodness. Jojo. Jojo. Oh, it's cold. Oh, don't do that. Far away is good.
Hell, we keep them out here long enough, they'll get rid of all the snow. No, stretch. Does Julie have? Well, we can't send anything to Julie, can we? Because of the surprise. Joe, come here, Joe. Say, I'm on my way.
Say we're breaking her into snow pretty well.
Roxie.
I love the snow nose. Me and Dana were just talking about the dirt nose from when they come in from digging and how cute it is.
Yeah. Well, Roxie, look, Roxie's got a snow nose. They're just creeping along. Oh, there's the tow truck. Wait. Yeah, I think they're going to need more than one. The snowplow.
We brought our own.